Hi guys, in this video we will guide you how to use the OM A3 bubble remover. So to make the A3 work, what you need is a compressor. This is the air compressor and this is the A3. So this compressor, look, this is the gauge for the pressure. Now it has no pressure inside, so we have to turn it on by here, pull it up. And this one, this is the valve we already switch off. So we just wait the pressure. Okay, now it is stopped automatic because the pressure is full. So the next procedure is to connect this compressor with the A3 machine. Wait a moment. Yes. So this hose, the hose comes with the pressure. If you buy the compressor from your local, you have to buy this hose. The size of this hose is 8. I think it's 8. So look at here on the back. Yeah. You connect here. Okay. So on the back, this is a pressure adjuster. We call it pressure adjuster. The default setting from factory for the bubble remover we set is 6 bar. So for you, we don't recommend you to adjust this one, okay? For your safety and for the machine working good, please do not touch here. Do not do any adjusting, okay? What you need to do is just connect this hose with the compressor. And then, after you connect, you have to open here. Open. Okay, so now the system is connected. The compressor and the A3 is connected. So this is the bubble remover. You have to put your screen inside. Then you close. Make sure you close the door properly. And because if you don't close really good, this is not safe, you know. Now you come here. This is the switch. Now we turn on the machine. Now the machine is working. This is the temperature system. The default setting is 45 centigrade. Okay. And this is the gauge for the bubble, and this is the timer. The default setting for the time is 10 minutes. 10 M means minutes. 10 minutes. Okay. You can adjust. This is 20. So we use 10 minutes. Minutes, seconds. We use minutes, okay? So now, let's start. So now, you can see the time system is working and the debubber, the pressure is going up. So everything is fine now.